Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make Oreo cupcakes with just 3 ingredients. Separate the cream of 24 Oreos. Add around 2 tablespoons of warm milk into the cream and mix slightly. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 cup of warm milk in portions and mix well. Lightly mash the cream. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Link in description on how to make whipped cream frosting. You can add crushed Oreos into the frosting. It's a really easy recipe. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.